Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Caroline Woods, here to take you through today's market action. Stocks kicked off the month of September and a holiday-shortened week deep in the red. The Nasdaq and Russell 2000 each lost more than 3%. The S&P 500 closed down over 2%, while the Dow lost 1.5%. 9 of the 11 sectors in the S&P closed in the red today. Technology took the biggest hit, losing 4.4%. Energy and communications followed behind, each losing about 2.4%. Consumer staples and real estate were the two lone winners. Semiconductors saw notable weakness today, with the VanEck Semiconductor ETF plunging 7.5%. Industry leader Nvidia dropped 9.5%, its largest one-day decrease since April. Broadcom fell 6% ahead of earnings later this week. This follows a UBS report stating chip sales fell 11% in July, month over month. Memory business saw a 31% decline. In after-hours trading, Zscaler is sinking despite a beat on both the top and bottom line. The disappointment stems from a disappointing full-year earnings outlook. The cybersecurity company said earnings will range between $2.81 and $2.87 per share in fiscal 2025, well below Wall Street's estimates. Sales are forecast between $2.6 and $2.62 billion, in line with expectations. Boeing was one of the worst performers in the S&P 500 following reports of a potential strike at the company. 32,000 workers could walk if a new agreement isn't made between the company and the International Association of Machinists. Workers shared concerns over wages, health care, retirement, and time off. Boeing's contract expires on September 12th. Meanwhile, Wells Fargo downgraded shares of Boeing from equal weight to underweight and lowered its price target to $119 a share from $185. Let's take a look at what's on tap for tomorrow. On the economic front, we'll get the JOLTS report, as well as international trade in goods and services and factory orders. And on the earnings front, Dick's Sporting Goods, Dollar Tree, and Hormel report before the opening bell. C3AI and Hewlett-Packard Enterprise report after the bell. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Caroline Woods. Remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.